Bitcoin has shocked the world again and again, from being worth just a few cents in 2010 to reaching over $69,000 in 2021, and then crashing and rising back like a phoenix. Its journey has been unlike anything we've seen before. But the big question remains: how high can Bitcoin really go by 2025, 2030, and beyond? In this video, we'll break down expert predictions, historical patterns, and the key events that could shape Bitcoin's future price. Get ready, because the numbers might surprise you. Before we dive in, remember that this is not financial advice. I'm simply sharing insights from Bitcoin's market history, analyst predictions, and global financial trends to give you a realistic and big-picture perspective. By the end of this video, you'll know the possible price ranges for Bitcoin in the coming years, both the conservative and the wild predictions. To understand where Bitcoin is going, we need to understand its past. Bitcoin's price history has followed one clear rhythm: the halving cycle. Every 4 years, the reward for mining Bitcoin is cut in half. This creates scarcity, and historically, it has triggered massive bull runs. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin surged to around $1,000. After the 2016 halving, it climbed to $20,000. After the 2020 halving, it exploded to $69,000. And now, after the 2024 halving, the stage is set for the next major run in 2025. So, what could 2025 look like? Many analysts believe it could be Bitcoin's most explosive year yet. With ETFs now bringing trillions in institutional money, a supply shock after the halving, and rising global inflation, Bitcoin could soar to new heights. Conservative predictions suggest a range of $100,000 to $150,000. More optimistic forecasts put it between $100,000 and $150,000, $250,000, and $300,000. And in an extreme case, if global adoption accelerates, Bitcoin could even touch $500,000. However, history also shows us that these explosive years usually end with a sharp correction. Just like in 2017 and 2021, Bitcoin could experience a major pullback after hitting its peak. This brings us to 2026 and 2027. After every bull market, Bitcoin cools down and enters a bearish phase. These bear markets often see prices drop by 50 to even 80% from their peak. So if Bitcoin were to hit $250,000 in 2025, it could fall back to the $80,000 to $120,000 range in the following years. While this might sound discouraging, this phase has historically been when long-term investors quietly accumulate more Bitcoin, preparing for the next cycle. Then comes 2028, another halving year. Each halving reduces the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation, making the asset even scarcer. If history repeats itself, 2028 could mark the beginning of the next major bull run, setting the stage for new record highs in the following years. By 2030, Bitcoin could look very different from today. Many financial institutions already refer to it as digital gold, and its adoption as both an asset and a currency continues to grow. So what do experts predict for 2030? In a bearish scenario, Bitcoin could stabilize around $150,000 to $200,000. In a more balanced case, it might trade in the $300,000 to $500,000 range. But in the most bullish scenario, if Bitcoin captures even 10% of global wealth or gold's market cap, we could see the unimaginable: $1 million per Bitcoin. Yes, it sounds crazy, but remember, people once laughed when Bitcoin crossed $1, $100, and even $10,000. Of course, no prediction is complete without addressing risks. Bitcoin faces challenges like stricter government regulations, debates around energy consumption, the rise of competing digital currencies, and potential technological issues. Any of these could slow down adoption or cause significant corrections along the way. So, how high can Bitcoin really go by 2025 to 2030? The truth is, it depends on adoption, regulation, and how the world views Bitcoin in the coming years. Will it remain a speculative asset, or will it truly become the foundation of a new financial system? In my opinion, Bitcoin has the potential to become the digital gold of the future, and its best days may still be ahead. What do you think? Will Bitcoin hit $500,000 or even $1 million by 2030? Share your predictions in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. The Bitcoin journey is just getting started.